So in this video, we're going to deploy the static website of React using render. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, go to the GitHub and create a new repository. So click on here and create new repository. So I have given the name. So now make sure it is private and git and no git nor and add readme and create the repository. Now copy the link of the repository and go to VS Code and go to new terminal. Now type git init. Now type git add dot. Now commit. Now set git branch to main. Now type git remote add origin and the URL you just copied. Now push to GitHub. Git push u origin main. So the error we are getting because we already created the readme file. So that is the reason it is not taking the commit. So we'll just force it to do it. Let's see if it happens or not. Git push f origin main. And yes, it's done. Now let's see if the push has been committed or not. And yes, the project has been arrived in the GitHub. So now we need to host this static website to render. So let's go to render.com and make sure you log in using your GitHub account, which you just pushed the project. And if you want a video on MERN stack application, so this is the this is backend and this is the front end and how to connect them and everything. So comment down below. So for now, today we're going to create a static website here. So click on new. So backend are hosted using web services and the front end are hosted using static site. Now this is the MERN stack application, but we are going to click this Aziz Homeocare, the 4 hour ago is the MERN stack application and the recent one is the new static application. Now here instead of yarn, if your application is in npm, it's just like mine is, so I'm going to write npm install and npm run build. And the published directory should be dished because it is a white application. And the environment variables are not needed because we are not using backend. If we are using backend and using the API keys, so we need to enter environment variable. It could be like getting a product from backend or using a razor pay etc payment method. So in that case you have to use API key here so that the front end can get the data from the backend. But here we are not getting anything from backend, so we are not going to select anything in the environment variables. Otherwise you have to. Now make sure that on commit etc and deploy site, and let's see if it gets deployed or we get some error. Wait for a few minutes and the website is live. Let's see, is it properly deployed or not. Copy the link and open in a private window. And yes, as you can see, the website has been properly deployed with demo products. Obviously it is demo product and it is coming from the front end, not back end. But the website is looking great and properly deployed. So that's it for this video. If you want a video on how to deploy a MERN stack application, please comment down below, and thank you very much.